If you are looking for Whirlpool frost-free refrigerators, here's a collection you've got to see. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. The Whirlpool Protton, which has 3 doors of freshness, with the India's only active fresh zone. Powered by the Sixth Sense Active Fresh technology and microblock technology. Capacity 240 liter, suitable for families with 2 to 3 members, by Whirlpool. Number 2. Whirlpool 240 liter, frost-free, multi-door refrigerator, Protton Caviar Black model. Another great product by Whirlpool. Number 3. Amazon Great Indian Sale is now live. Click this banner and get the best deals for you. Number 4. Whirlpool 240 liter, frost-free, multi-door refrigerator, Protton Steel Night model.